What's up everybody, Jason from Chicago Auto Pros, but today we're not at the shop, we're in my driveway. Welcome to my house. It's a beautiful Sunday. We're gonna do a wash on the GTI. We got some new products that I'm gonna test out here. Been fortunate enough to have people actually send me products. Thank you guys. These are from Atomic Supply Company. They got a couple different brands or labels here. This is a Supreme Detail Supply and then Atomic Supply Company. I don't know the difference there yet, but we're gonna test these out. I'm gonna clean the GTI, we're gonna clean the Traverse, and I'll tell you what I think of them. After I recorded this video, I realized I was working with two different chemical companies. I must have put them in the same box and I didn't realize it, so my apologies for any confusion. Now, which is the wheel and tire cleaner and the rinseless wash. You can buy those on their website, atomicsupplycompany.com right now. And then these other ones are not available yet, and I'll go through them and we're gonna use them. Some waterless wash. This says Supreme Detail Supply, so this must be another line that they're trying out. This is a waterless wash, interior detailer. This is cool. This is a ceramic soap meant for ceramic coated cars. I don't know what exactly would be different about it in a soap that you would need a ceramic soap, but I'll try that one out on my wife's car, which is coated right now. Quick detailer. Iron mover, surface cleaner, probably another interior cleaner, tire dressing, window cleaner, and a ceramic boost maintenance spray. Let's get started. We're gonna start by doing a quick engine clean. It's not that dirty, but I'm doing a video next week on it, and I wanna make sure it's nice and shiny. So pretty simple. We get a lot of questions about engine cleaning. And for the most part, these newer cars are watertight. You don't have to worry about anything if you have an older car. You'll wanna cover up coil wires, you know, maybe the battery cables, the alternator, any exposed wires you might just wanna cover up. Air filters, exposed air filters, you don't wanna get those wet. But for the most part, as long as you're not pressure washing it and like shoving it in there, you're gonna be all right. I'm starting with the Atomic Wheel and Tire Cleaner, which I think they should change their label to Wheel, Tire, and Engine Cleaner because it worked fantastic for cleaning the engine compartment. This product is a concentrated version, so you should dilute it with water. It's acid-free, so it's safe for any types of wheels, and it foams really nice, and it did a fantastic job at breaking down all the dirt and grime. After you're done cleaning an engine compartment, you can use a water-based dressing to dress up all the plastics. Make sure it's a water-based dressing and not a solvent-based dressing, otherwise you may have some problems. I decided not to use any type of dressing after doing the engine here. I just went right to the wheels. It was right about now where I was thinking I really missed the pressure washer at the shop. I usually wash my car at the shop, and using this garden hose really made me appreciate the pressure washer we have. It seemed like it was taking forever to rinse all the soap off these wheels. Up next was the Supreme Detail Ceramic Soap, which by the way has no ceramic protection in the soap itself. This soap is designed for ceramic coated vehicles. Ceramic coated vehicles hold up to chemicals better than a wax or a sealant does. This soap has higher pH levels and better cleaning ability, whereas a normal car wash soap will be pH balanced, so it doesn't strip any wax or sealant. Ceramic Boost. There's no directions on these labels. I'm hoping he puts some directions and stuff on the bottle. I also went to the website. There wasn't anything about these products yet on the website, so I don't know anything about them. I'm sorry, I apologize. Check out the website. Hopefully they'll be out soon. I'm gonna use both these products here, the surface cleaner and the ceramic boost together on this door panel. This car is not coated yet. I haven't done any paint correction or anything like that. I do plan on putting a coating on it, hence why I didn't use 2 buckets and a grit guard and all that stuff. I just wanted to get the wash done real quick. So I'm gonna spray this on the panel. I'm guessing this is gonna remove any type of wax or sealant that you may have on the car already. I do have bead maker on this door panel, so I'm just gonna spray this door down, remove any of that bead maker, and then I'm gonna spray this ceramic boost and I'll get the hose out and see what it looks like. This is the ceramic boost spray that I'm using here, and after I realized I was working with 2 different companies, I did find their website, and according to the Supreme Detail website, this product will last 3 to 12 months. It's very easy to use. It's just a matter of wiping it on and wiping it off. It left the surface super slick, and you can use it just about on any surface, including paint, glass, and wheels. Interior detail. I'm guessing this is kind of like an all-purpose cleaner. My opinion with these all-purpose cleaners are, most of them are gonna be the same. They're gonna clean your interior without drying it out. My recommendation for this is find one within your budget and find one that smells good, because that's the biggest thing. As long as it does the cleaning, they're all gonna be similar. How do I describe that? Lemon. That's a lemon scent. Clearview Glass Cleaner by Supreme Detail. This was one of my favorite products out of the bunch that I was using. It not only cleaned the glass very well, but it cleaned it really fast. It's hard to show how clean glass is on camera, so you're just gonna have to take my word for it. So I bought this a couple weeks ago to put in my car, and this is actually what came in the package. And I think you have 2 choices here. You can put this directly on your window, or you can put this like on your dashboard here, and then you attach this. I thought I was gonna be smart and attach it to my window, and then put this on it, like that. But it didn't work at all. It kept on, it fell off every single day because of the heat, and wasn't sticking. I actually tried to put, this was actually on the window here, I actually tried to put super glue there and try to super glue it to it. Didn't work at all. So I ended up just yanking this piece off the window, but it left all this adhesive behind. Normally I would just take a razor blade and just scrape all this off on the window, but my windshield is tinted and I don't want to ruin it. So I'm actually gonna use this Clearview and see what I can do to remove it. Onto their quick detailer. This is another one of those products where, you know, I use this for taking off fingerprints, or after a wash, if I have any drips or water spots or anything, I'll just clean it up with a quick detailer. I don't really use a quick detailer for anything like that. You can put it on the whole entire car. It's gonna add some gloss, it's gonna add some shine, but I think there's better products out there to do that with. So find a quick detailer that's in your budget, that smells really good, and that doesn't streak. So we're gonna test this one out. And this one is actually, it smells so good. This is their best smelling product, I think. You know, I could drink this. It smells so good. Spilled a little. I'm gonna use this on the hood here, which is, has paint protection film on it, so. Spray it on the door. I'll wipe it before, which is pretty smooth. Already. It'd be hard to tell if you got streaks on a white car, especially in this light too, so it's very smooth. It's really smooth. Maybe I'll spray some on the window, see if it streaks. It doesn't streak at all. This is also another great product just to keep in your car with a microfiber towel. If you have any bird droppings, this is a great lubricant to spray around that bird dropping and then gently lift it up with a microfiber towel. I like it. I'm impressed. All right, battery's just about dead, perfect timing. I was actually gonna wash the wife's car, but it looks like it's about to rain, it's cloudy, and it's 5 o'clock. It's time to light up the barbecue anyways. Impressed with their products. We use most of their products. I did not use their iron remover or the rinseless wash. I'll use this at some point in the shop probably, but I'm impressed with the products. I love the packaging, looks great. All the products smell really good. Everything, as far as I could tell, worked very well. The ceramic soap was interesting. It wasn't very soapy-like, it's very watered down. And there was a lot of suds in the bucket, but it didn't seem like, once we started washing the car, it didn't seem like there was a whole lot of suds, but it worked really well. I'm sure it'll work great for a ceramic coated car. More to come on that, check them out. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you next time.